Bitcoin price forecast. U.S. inflation data released. Will BTC rally gain momentum? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Last updated. October 11, 2024, at 02:24 GMT+3. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 11, 2024, at 02:24 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin price forecast. U.S. core inflation data released. During the U.S. session, Bitcoin, BTC, could not stop its losing streak, dropping sharply below $59,000, hitting an intraday low of $58,930. This decline is largely attributed to the higher-than-expected U.S. CPI numbers for September, which showed inflation rising 2.4%, surpassing the market's forecast of 2.3%. However, the stronger-than-anticipated inflation figures have triggered concerns about a potential Federal Reserve's hawkish stance, possibly delaying interest rate cuts. This uncertainty has dampened market sentiment, leading to a broader crypto market sell-off, pushing Bitcoin prices further down. Another factor weighing on Bitcoin, BTC, is the recent surge of regulatory actions targeting the cryptocurrency sector. The SEC's lawsuit, along with the Department of Justice's charges against several market makers for market manipulation, has intensified investor anxiety. Additionally, SEC Chair Gary Gensler's remarks, describing the crypto industry as rife with fraudsters, have further fueled the negative sentiment surrounding BTC. Impact of rising inflation on Bitcoin's price and market sentiment. On the U.S. front, the latest Consumer Price Index, CPI, data revealed that inflation rose to 2.4% in September, exceeding market expectations of 2.3%. The CPI showed a monthly inflation rate of 0.2%, consistent with the previous months, but the yearly rate is the lowest since February 2021. Meanwhile, the core CPI, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, also rose to 3.3% year-over-year. Following the CPI release, Bitcoin's price fell by more than 2%, briefly dipping below $59,000 within the past 24 hours. This decline contributed to a broader sell-off in the cryptocurrency market. Amid these developments, the market is now predicting an 84% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve at their upcoming November meeting, a shift from previous expectations of a larger cut. Additionally, the U.S. 10-year bond yield climbed to 4.073%, while the U.S. dollar index dropped by 0.1% to $102.595, reflecting the current financial climate. Therefore, the unexpected rise in inflation could lead to increased market volatility for Bitcoin, potentially pushing its price further down. If the Federal Reserve adopts a more hawkish stance, Bitcoin may struggle to regain momentum, risking further declines below $60,000. Regulatory pressure weighs on Bitcoin price and market sentiment. Recent U.S. regulatory actions have added downward pressure to Bitcoin's price. The Department of Justice charged 4 market makers and over a dozen individuals with market manipulation, while SEC Chair Gary Gensler criticized the crypto industry, calling it rife with fraud. He noted that many key players are either facing legal trouble or are already imprisoned. As a result, market sentiment around Bitcoin has turned negative. Analysts, like Leckers Thompson, suggest that regulatory scrutiny may keep Bitcoin's price stagnant until after the U.S. elections in November. The increased legal pressure and harsh remarks from regulators could limit any significant price recovery in the short term. Key takeaways. Legal pressure. Recent charges and regulatory comments have soured market sentiment. Range-bound trading. Analysts predict Bitcoin will remain range-bound until regulatory clarity improves. Short-term outlook. Bitcoin may face continued selling pressure, limiting its potential for gains in the near future. Bitcoin bounces 0.82% but faces strong resistance at $61,000. Bitcoin, BTC/USD, trades at around $60,150, gaining 0.82% on the day after hitting a low of $59,530. The price remains below the 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $62,080, indicating strong resistance. The recent bounce suggests potential short-term bullish momentum, but it remains capped by the $60,740 resistance level. A decisive break above this could target the next resistance at $61,240 and $61,985. However, immediate support is seen at $59,540, followed by deeper levels at $58,880 and $58,350. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has recovered to 40, indicating neutral momentum but still below the key 50 mark. A break below $59,540 may trigger further selling, potentially pushing prices back to $58,880. For now, Bitcoin's short-term outlook is cautiously bearish below $61,240, but a move above $61,240 could change sentiment to bullish. Key insights. Support break. Immediate support at $59,540 is critical. A break below could lead to deeper declines. Resistance levels. A move above $60,740 may open the door to further gains. RSI indicator. Neutral momentum, but upside potential if RSI rises above 50. You might also like Bitcoin price prediction 2024 to 2034. Pepe Unchained raises over $18 million. New 10x meme coin potential. Pepe Unchained, $PEPU, continues to attract attention in the meme coin market, raising $18.4 million in its pre-sale so far. With just a few $1,000s remaining to hit its $18.6 million target, investors are eagerly watching. The token's pre-sale price currently stands at $0.00995 per $PEPU, with a potential price increase expected soon. Popular crypto analyst Jacob Cryptoberry has released a video discussing $PEPU's growth potential, highlighting its strong pre-sale performance and staking rewards. Berry maintains a neutral stance but notes that $PEPU's secure contract audits and high staking APY of 499% position it as a potential top performer in the meme coin space. Key highlights. Strong pre-sale performance. $18.4 million raised so far, nearing $18.6 million target. High APY for staking. Earn up to 499% APY by staking $PEPU tokens. Analyst commentary. Jacob Cryptoberry discusses $PEPU's potential growth. With investor sentiment remaining strong, now might be the time to consider adding $PEPU to your portfolio before the next price increase. By Peepu here. Follow us on Google News.